Hello friends, in this video we're going to talk about assignment problem and we'll compute the total time in order to compute the jobs. So here we are provided with 5 columns and 4 rows. In order to solve an Hungarian assignment problem, we need to have our problem balanced. So in order to create it, we need to add a dummy row into it. So let's add a dummy row into it. We'll add a dummy row and assign zeros into it. And all other steps are similar. We'll write all the things as such before. So here we'll add zeros into it and all the steps are same. Now going to the further step, we'll first of all find the minimum element from the row and minus it from all the elements into it. So the answer will be like that. So here we have the minimum as 4, so we'll minus all the elements from 4 here. Here we have 14, so we'll minus 14 from all of them. Here we have around 10, so we'll minus 10 from it. Here we have 14, so we'll minus 14 into it, and here we have 0. So finally the matrix would be like here. By computing and subtracting the values, we have these values here. Here we have just calculated subtraction. We have subtracted the minimum value and wrote down here. Now further step is to calculate the minimum values and subtract it from the row. So here we have zeros in all the columns as well, so we're not going to perform it. So we'll directly start giving an assignments here. So first, in the first row we find 0 here, and so we'll square the 0 and all the corresponding zeros through this row and this column will be cancelled. So here now we have this row 0 squared, so this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled. Now here in this row we'll have here, so this will be cancelled, and from this either two you can assign anyone to it. So I'll assign here, thus this will be cancelled. So we can find that the third row is not having assignment into it. So first of all we'll mark this third row and we'll go into it and check the cross 0 into it, and the cross 0 column will also be marked, and the column which is also having the column which is marked will check for the assignments into it. So we have found here assignment, so we'll mark this one as well. Now we're gonna draw the lines. The lines are to be drawn like, we'll draw a line through all the marked columns. So this is the marked column, so we'll draw a line here, and all the unmarked rows, so these 2 rows are marked, thus these 3 rows will be marked. Now the final matrix we have like this. So in this we're gonna first of all find the minimum element from all these remaining which are not covered by line. These elements will find a minimum element from this and will subtract it from all the remaining elements, and at the intersection points like this point and this point and this point, will add the element which has been subtracted from all these elements. So by further creating that, we'll just create it one more time. So here we have 16, right? Now first of all we'll compute all the middle values. So the first value, the value which here is to be subtracted is I think 22, because the minimum element here is 2. So by subtracting it, we have here 8. So 8 minus 2 is 6. We'll write 6 here. 6 minus 2 is 4. This 12 is 8. It will be 0. It will be 4, 12, and here we'll be having 6. So we have computed all these things. Now at the intersection points, we'll be adding 2. So here it will be 18. Here will be as well as 0. This 0 as it is. Here we have 12, so it will be 14 here. And here we have 0, so it will be 2 here. And all the remaining elements will be same. 4, 0, 12. We'll be having here 16, 8, 6, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now from the first we'll be computing the assignments. So here we'll be squaring this 0 and all the corresponding rows and columns will be crossed. So here in this row we'll be squaring this. This will be crossed here. And this will be squaring this. So this will be crossed. And we have a 1 0 here. So this will be crossed. And in the final we have this. So this. Now in each row we have got the assignment, as you can see it here, and in each column also we have counted the assignment. So we'll mark each and compute the final value. First will be marked by D, so corresponding 2 will be marked by A, 3 to B, 4 to E, and 2 to C. So the final values we need to check it in our previous matrices. So the final values were 4, 14, 12, 14 and 0. And the complete timing is 44. Thus the final answer here is 44. So this is all about the Hungarian method and solving an assignment problem with it. Thank you.